This is the ViaTerra Himalayan 450 Trailpack Lite, a more compact and sleek trail pack specifically made for the Royal Enfield Himalayan 450. With its shape-retaining construction and contoured shape, the Trailpack Lite integrates seamlessly with the Royal Enfield Himalayan 450's tank frame. The specifically designed 3-point anchoring system uses mounting points available on the tank frame to achieve a secure and stable fit, ensuring zero displacement even when you send it. The abrasion-resistant materials and reinforcements at key load points ensure that the Trailpack Lite can endure the rigors of trail riding. Keeping weight low and centered also improves balance and mobility on the bike while tackling challenging terrain. The main compartment uses a long zipper for easy access, and the light grey inner lining makes it easier to find what you need. The mesh stash pockets and dedicated key hook help to keep things that you are most likely to lose easily accessible. Made for riders who understand that less luggage can hugely improve motorcycle performance and overall ride experience, the total 4-litre capacity of the Trailpack Lite offers just the right amount of space to carry your trail essentials. If you need something bigger, well, there's always its larger sibling, the ViaTerra Trailpack 450.